Smart Sound. Smart Sound.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है that I was entering into Bollywood and that's the reason I became fit. Actually, I was a very plump kid since school. So fitness came into my life since the age of 13 or 14 where I realized I was very fat compared to the other kids around. So I started with walks and then continued it with yoga and slowly I went into different variations of exercises.
So what is your fitness mantra? Like, what is your daily routine of
Uh,
staying fit?
I personally do a lot of things, but then I make things very simple for myself. So I like to eat everything, but in very small portions. And I work out every day. Like I like to do yoga every day. Like at least thrice a week I try to do yoga, and thrice a week I kind of do Pilates with free hands and lots of stretching.
So is there anything like आपको कुछ खाने में कमी करनी पड़ती है या there is something you quit, you have to quit?
Yes, whenever I kind of gain extra kilos because of all the festive seasons, like now Diwali was there, so I was eating a lot of sweets. So now I have cut down a lot on my sweets and carbs because I want to get back to my ideal weight, which I gained during this festive season. So whenever I put on weight, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं sweets को कम कर दूँ और मेरे जो रात का carbs है उसको कम कर दूँ.
You've been trying so many things for exercising like yoga, gymming. What was the most effective thing?
I honestly personally, my personal opinion would be yoga, definitely, because I think yoga not only makes you mentally strong, but yoga and pranayam sort of keeps all kinds of ailments away from you, and also it gives you a lot of energy. And I personally felt that it worked really well for me in weight loss.
Did you add meditation to that too?
Not really. I don't really try to meditate. I do my meditations differently, like not with
We are
yoga.
seeing that even Govinda sir is very fit right now. So are you helping me? Are you helping him like in giving some tips?
Honestly, he was the first person who got me into yoga. I never was that aware of yoga at all, but I was, I think, 16 or something when he told me that you should try doing yoga, and that's when I got into yoga. And I don't think he needs anybody's advice. I need his advices.
So for your first film, which was
Second hand.
Second Hand Husband, which released recently. So any personal preparation for staying fit did you do?
Honestly, for Second Hand Husband, I had gained few kilos because I had personally was not given a character graph about the girl, but itna pata tha ki she's a Punjabi girl, a very pampered girl sort of a thing. So I had personally gained weight to fit into a very Punjabi kind of a character, and and it was very difficult for me to lose those extra kilos. I don't know why, but it was really difficult for me. But I think yoga and my free hands helped me a lot.
Being an actress, you'll have to transform your body for every movie, like gaining some kilos, shedding some kilos. So how do you think it affects the body of that particular person?
I honestly wouldn't do it again. Even if somebody gives me 100 crores, I don't think I would play with my body again, because I personally don't think that see, I come from a family who's a proper foodie family. We love to eat, we love to celebrate, and we love to live our life to the fullest. But that's something that I don't think that I can do it again, because it's too difficult. I wouldn't be playing with my body again. Never. I think body is your temple. I got to know about it, that people used to always say that treat your body like temple and things like that. But now after this, I have realized that I'm not going to play around with those weights or whatever it is. Whether somebody gives me even 100 crores, 1,000 crores, I'm not going to put on weight now again. Or even like losing is still okay, but not like anorexic thing. But put on to no ways, not at all.
योग को लेकर सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायर किससे आप?
हाँ जी.
फिटनेस को लेकर सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायर किससे?
और
क्या
फिटनेस
आपको
को
लगना चाहिए हाँ कुछ?
मुझे फ़िटनेस को लेके ऑनेस्टली मैं अपने डैड से बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड हूँ, क्योंकि ही वॉज लाइक रियली फैट ड्यूरिंग पार्टनर, and he took it very slowly and steadily. He never acted desperate कि अब मुझे पतला होना है और मुझे six packs बनाना है और मुझे ये steroids लेना है या ये करना है. He's not even taken a single fat burner. तो I personally look up to him because even if he'll see a pastry or a cake or a cupcake or something, I'll eat the whole thing, but he'll just have one bite and he'll just leave it there. So that is one thing I've learned from him. So definitely my dad.
अपनी लाइफ में फिटनेस कितना इम्पोर्टेंस मानते हैं?
मैं बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस फिटनेस को तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देती हूँ क्योंकि आई थिंक अगर आप फिट नहीं हो तो आप फिट फील नहीं करते एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग फिट यू आर ruining everything. So I personally feel that even if you can give 20 minutes to your workouts, it's like more than enough for yourself.
Talking about Bollywood, are you preparing for any film right now?
Yes, I am looking out and doing stuff for films, but the most important thing is for me is like right now to again shed a little more clothes and everything, but that will happen simultaneously. But yes, 100%. No, I can't talk much about that. So very
When
soon,
can we
but
expect that film?
next year,
Next.
mostly, hopefully,
Yeah.
hopefully. Done.
Yeah, on fitness.
What
So
else?
would you like to, show some of your moves?
Oh, here I can't be doing
Actually,
Like,
yoga.
just stretch.
Yeah,
your
but I
legs.
can just guide somebody that
Yeah,
if
you
they
can
are
just-
trying to lose weight, what
Yeah,
can
yeah,
they do
that
that?
will be good.
My personal opinion is that never go to a dietitian who's putting you into a crash diet. Your proteins, your carbs, your vegetables are equally important. I personally feel that a glass of green vegetable juice with all greens in it, or a little bit of beetroot or carrots in it is like one blessing that you all can have. And if you want to really lose weight very quickly, cut down on your night's carbs. Don't have roti, chawal, all of that in the night, and definitely sweets a no-no. And I personally felt that when I stopped having fizzy drinks, I lost a lot of weight. Like if you stop having diet coke or whatever, those fizzy drinks and crisps and all of that, and definitely yoga and a lot of outdoor exercises. I love doing outdoor exercises like बाहर running कर लिया या बाहर walk कर लिया, वो बहुत help करता है compared to the machines. I personally felt.
So after eating, like the people say that pranayam करना चाहिए. So do you believe in that? Like,
I personally feel कि प्राणायाम करने से your body becomes very balanced and आपके toxins निकल जाते हैं प्राणायाम करने से. तो मैं प्राणायाम practice करती हूँ अनुलोम विलोम के साथ to keep you balanced. But मैं also I believe a lot in सूर्य नमस्कार्स. मैं बहुत सूर्य नमस्कार करती हूँ, at least 50-60 सूर्य नमस्कार in every session of yoga that I do, because not only वो आपका बहुत सारे ailments नहीं होते उससे and बहुत energy मिलती है उससे throughout the day, and I personally felt that it really helps a lot in losing weight.
And one quick question: how difficult was it to get into shape for that movie? Because obviously when you are already fit,
It
then
was
you
the
are gaining weight.
it was the most easiest thing to put on weight for second hand husband because I love eating and it is something that was very effortless. मैं जलेबी हो या cakes हो या जो भी हो मैं सब खाती थी. So it was a very easy thing, but then losing it was a very difficult task.
was
for me.
difficult.
Yeah, it was really difficult for me.
फिटनेस के लिए आप अपने फैंस को या जो भी दर्शकों को आप अपनी तरफ से क्या एडवाइस देना चाहिए? मतलब
फिटनेस के लिए मैं सभी को यही एडवाइस दूंगी कि फिटनेस को लाइफस्टाइल बनाओ, नेसेसिटी मत बनाना. इट शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफस्टाइल. इट शुड नॉट बी कि यार रोज़ करना ही है, एंड इट शुड बी लाइक ओके दिस इज़ वन थिंग आई हैव टू डू एवरी डे. सेकेंडली, इफ़ यू आर लूजिंग वेट डोंट गेट टू डेस्परेट कि एक महीने के अंदर ही सब कुछ ख़त्म कर देना है. गिव योर बॉडी लिटिल टाइम. डोंट बी टू हार्श टू योर सेल्फ. आई पर्सनली फील दैट बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत जब वेट पुट ऑन कर लेते हैं तो हम लोग अपने आप को हैम्पर करने लग जाते हैं कि नहीं अभी तो करना ही पड़ेगा किसी भी हालत में. एंड ऑल दैट, डोंट डू दैट टू योर सेल्फ. एंड आई पर्सनली फील दैट even if you cheat once in a week, it's okay. You lose weight very quickly.
नेचुरल में और जिम में आप कितना डिफरेंस मानते हैं? मतलब नेचुरल फिटनेस रखने की वजह से सुबह
मैं दोनों को रिस्पेक्ट इक्वली करती हूँ, जिमिंग को भी और नेचुरल को भी. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन अ पर्सन टू पर्सन. जिसको अगर अगर आपको एक तरीके का वर्कआउट सूट करता है, अगर आपको योगा सूट करता है और वॉक सूट करता है और उससे आपको रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, तो प्लीज़ स्टिक टू दैट ओनली. इफ यू आर फीलिंग दैट यू आर गेटिंग बल्की, वेदर ऐसे होता नहीं है बट लोगों लगता है कि हम लोग वेट ट्रेनिंग करके बल्की हो रहे हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, तो देन डोंट डू समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट सूटिंग यू जस्ट बिकॉज 10 लोग वो कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप भी वही करो.
Do you favor size 0?
Not really, but अगर किसका मन है तो फिर we should do it. Why not?
If you get an offer and you have to make a size 0, so would you go for it?
I said that already. I'm not
What
going.
she said for the putting on weight. Like,
Yeah,
you tell us put on weight.
If I get to if I'm asked to wear something like for a swimwear or something, I'll definitely work towards it because it'll be a challenge for myself. I will do that,
Because you
and I like to challenge myself. So definitely, I would work towards it. I will do it. Thank you.
Smart Sound. Smart Sound. Smart Sound.